Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're an Axis Bank credit card holder, you know how exciting it can be to rack up those reward points. But what if I told you that redeeming them in 2025 is easier than ever? In today's video, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to redeem your Axis Bank credit card reward points. Whether you're aiming to convert points into cash, vouchers, or even luxury products, this tutorial will get you sorted quickly. So, grab your phone or laptop, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Axis Bank mobile app installed on your device or access to their website. This is crucial because banking processes evolve, and for 2025, they've streamlined everything for a smoother experience. Start by logging into your Axis Bank account using your username and password. If you haven't enabled two-factor authentication yet, I highly recommend it for added security. It's a quick step that could save you headaches down the line. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Rewards, or Points, section. This is usually found in the dashboard or under the Credit Card Services menu. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your accumulated points and their current value. Now, browse through the redemption options. Axis Bank offers a variety of choices in 2025, like transferring points to airline miles, redeeming for gift cards, or even getting cash back directly into your account. Select the option that suits you best, then enter the number of points you want to redeem. Double-check the details to avoid any mistakes. Remember, points are like digital gold. After selecting, hit the Redeem button. You'll be prompted to confirm the transaction, so review the terms and any expiration dates on your points. Once confirmed, your redemption should process almost instantly, and you'll get a confirmation email or notification. That's it. You've just turned your points into something awesome. Before we wrap up, keep in mind that policies might change, so always check the Axis Bank website for the latest updates in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy redeeming.